Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this video we use some of Derek's Vice Grip Garage Shine Juice on no Edna to shine her all up. Thanks for watching. Look in the light and see where I've hit and where I haven't hit. I'm supposed to be able to go over everything with it. So, the trim, everything it says. So, we'll see. Just want to show you guys something real quick. I'm actually pretty impressed with this stuff. If you look right here, this is all done. Looks pretty good. Brought the shine back out of everything there. Did all this. But you look over here, what it used to look like. See that difference right there? Watch. Got some on the rag here. Look at that. Took it right off. Covered it all right in. That's pretty slick. Just get it all in here and you're good. Pretty impressed. See how that does, I guess. Alright, well, it's been on here for about, I don't know, probably 2 hours at least. It's still wet, so I'm going to just wipe it down and get the excess off and see how that does. I don't know, I'm not sure if this is what we're supposed to do, but this is what I'm going to do. Because there's no instructions. Derek, there's no instructions on the can at all. I think we got it. Where's she look here? Turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty good for what it is. All right, thanks for watching.